Welcome back everyone. Quickly, let's continue our discussion on HTML forms attributes. Right now we'll be discussing about the HTML form target attribute of underscore parent. The submitted result will open in the parent frame. So I'm going to show you how this works quickly. Back to our document right here, we are having this. And in our previous tutorial, we discussed about self and we have discussed about this target. This target right here, you are seeing right here, we want to know the default value of the target. Let's reload our document right here. In our previous tutorial, we are having this. Now, let's say for instance, we want to submit anwar ayofe. When we press submit like this, you are seeing it's taking us to the file inside this way. So this one is taking us to the what? To the file at this current window, and it's taking us to the parent. It's running the code inside, it's running this file inside our parent, so that is it's running it on the current window. So you cannot understand this easily unless we are performing something on it, but let me explain it easily so you can understand. This input right here is the child of this form, because the input is inside the form, and this form right here is simply inside of this body. So definitely this body is the child, is the parent of this of the form, and even the form is the parent of the input, and this body also is the child of this HTML element because it's inside of this element. That's why they call it. So definitely when you use it, it's going to submit instead of it to open to run the code in another tab. It's not going to run it in another tab. It will run it on this current window when you submit it. As you can see, that's why you are seeing it like that. The same thing works with when you that, and that is the default. And the same thing goes when you use parent also, because but the same thing goes when you use parent. But one thing I want you to understand is that the parent is working like this is the parent, this is the parent, this is the parent, and so on. But the self, the default value of this target is self. You understand? It's self on itself. You understand? So when you use self, we have discussed about self in our previous tutorial, it's still going to work the same because it's the default value. So that's why you are seeing them working in the same way. But if their effect is different, is when you reach the advanced level before you can understand this, the effect of using the self and the parent very well. So that's what I want to show you guys. And what akorede ayofe is my name. I wish to see you guys next time. And we all know, we have discussed about the target underscore parent right now. Have a great day.